While folks were trying to use the curriculum evaluation guidelines to engage in curriculum reviews in their settings, they didn't always have time. They wanted something that would help them understand the curriculum that they had in hand.
We formed wonderful, transparent relationships with the publishers. The tool was evaluated for reliability, which means it measures what it's really supposed to measure.
There are a lot of curriculum available. Schools and teachers have a limited amount of time and a limited amount of capacity to be able to wade through all of that information.
We developed the curriculum navigation reports as informational reports. We show very clearly where the findings of the science of reading align or don't align with the specific words on the page of your curriculum.
The decision on how districts and states and schools ultimately spend their instructional material dollars has become such an important part of the investment in students' literacy. What the curriculum navigation reports really attempt to do is to help us think about how do those materials themselves bring the science of reading to life, and how do they support teachers in making the instructional decisions they need to support the students right in front of them.
The curriculum navigation reports offer an external, unbiased look at curriculum. No curriculum is perfect, so what the curriculum navigation reports provide is guidance on how to use that curriculum as designed to uplift the pieces of the curriculum that are strong and evidence aligned, and also to highlight the parts that need more support or need supplements. Teachers now have a greater understanding of the design of the curriculum, and they're able to use it more effectively.
We know more than we ever have before. The science of reading has really become a movement in our country. We want to ensure that the materials that teachers are using every day really enact that science of reading instruction that we know to be true.
As soon as teachers are able to use their curriculum effectively, they are going to be able to spend their precious instructional minutes on the things that really matter, which is going to translate into increased student achievement.
It's been extremely fulfilling for me personally to hear moments of success from teachers and leaders when they thank us for these reports. It's been a real mission moment to see the importance of the curriculum navigation reports. They are included in many high-level decisions now as one part of a curriculum decision-making process. We have publishers reaching out to us asking to be reviewed. They are really paying attention to the process, and the result of that has really been remarkable.